Hello everyone, how to do it? So back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to share videos on your story on WhatsApp account. So you can see this is the WhatsApp page. So you have to tap here update. Also tap update, then you can see it's a camera icon. Okay, simply tap on the camera icon, and then you will see here your contacts, or you can, if you want to choose the videos from your gallery, then you can tap here. You can see this one, or if you want to capture the video live, then you have to tap here the video. Then you can see it's a video mode now. But if you want to upload videos from your gallery, simply tap here, and then you have to choose the video. So I'm just going to choose on videos, and then once you're done, then video sent my status will be trimmed to 30 seconds. So you have to upload only 30 seconds. No like longer video is not possible to upload here, but you can upload other way. I will show you later. So this way you can just keep it here, and then you can see sending button. Simply tap the sending. So you can see the video is now sending to my story. So this way you can upload your videos on your WhatsApp story. So friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.